In the last video, we looked at how to clip uh, this raster them to our location, to our study area. So in this video, we're going to look at how to classify a raster or how to classify a dem raster. So we will do that in a brief video. So to do that, you right click on this and then you go to properties. Then in properties, you have symbology, you have general, you have source. This source has to do with the source and the origin of the data, the metadata informations and all that. So extend and then display and finally the symbology. So you go to classified up here, and then in this case, you see from 90 low to 463. If you check 90 to 463, so it has given us a 5 class kind of thing, so which mostly you can increase to, and then it will keep splitting it until you reach that. You can increase it to even 100 or okay 32 max. So you see it's going to make it smaller until it reaches its destination on thereabout. So let's say we okay this, you will see that it has several colors, but that is not what we're just trying to let you know that you can do that up to a maximum of 32. So we're interested in the 5 class. So next thing you do here is that you're going to click here, just left click, and then you format label, reduce this to 3 so that it can make it more adjustable. So we have a 3 classes, since it's, if you look at it, 463, just that it increases some decimal and all that. So we have this arranged. Now you can also come to reclassify, choose any of these based on the literature you're using. But most of the literature I use, they use natural breaks, so I'm going to keep going on it until I see another research other than this. So I'm going to leave it as this, and then I'm going to click OK, and I will now make which color will be better for me. I'm going to click OK. So you can see that we've been able to classify this black and white raster into a colorful kind of raster. Now you can do another thing. Let's say you just want to make this a bit beautiful. You just use this use hue shade effect. Once I click on it and I click OK, you see that it becomes so it makes it more beautiful, so basically this is how to classify a raster dem, or the elevation data. That's what we're talking about. So stay tuned and keep practicing. I'll see you in the next video.